Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you have trouble using PC, don't worry, my videos will help you to solve your PC problems. Today I am gonna show you how you can fix the problem of Bootmgr missing. If you are new to my channel, tap the subscribe button. Soon many other videos are coming soon. Stay connected. First let's understand what is Bootmgr. Boot means turn on. The Bootmgr is a program that runs when you start your PC and loads your operating system from the hard drive. When it is missing, Windows is unable to boot. The Bootmgr is a program that runs when you start your PC and loads your operating system from the hard drive. When it is missing, Windows is unable to boot. This is the Bootmgr missing problem. Let's solve it.
Here, there is an operating system menu. Click on that and download it. Make sure to download the same version or higher version of your PC. Read the hardware requirements before downloading. This you need Rufus software to make your pen drive bootable. I will provide you the link in description. First open Rufus. Follow this step switches in the video. Click on select, then select the operating system ISO file. Now press start and wait until the process get finished. By trying this methods my PC turn on.
Here I'm using CD, you can use pen drive also. Press ctrl+alt+delete. Press F8 and F10. Now select your CD or pen drive from the list. Here you can perform repairs or install. You can perform repairs. Repair didn't work for me, so I'm going to install. Custom install. You have to format the drive where operating system is installed. Click install. And fast forwarding installation. As you can see now, PC is turned on. Hope you solved this problem, but it's solved for